In the last video, we made Cristiano Ronaldo and 4-star. For today, I made Rumi from Demon Hound in 4 completely different style. And yes, I will select the style, not me. First, we start drawing the sketch. Okay, sketch is done. Now we need 4 space. Let's select the first style. And the first one is Roblox. If you enjoyed this amazing video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a nice like. That helped me a lot. Now, time to the color. For the color, I use Ohuhu marker because they are really nice and cheap at the same time, bro. And here we have Rumi and 4. Okay, and the first one, that is the first one. Roblox style. Comment Roblox if you think that is the best one. Now, the second one. Cartoon. Nice. Let's go. The second one is done. Comment below what do you think about this. Now, time to the third one. Let's select. And the third one is slime. Nice. Let's begin for that. Guys, that's the number 3. Comment below what do you think. And now let's go for the last one. The last one is pencil. Okay, let's go. That's gonna be easy. And here we have the 4 different style. Guys, right now, comment what do you think? What is the best one? Comment below. Roblox, cartoons, line, or pencil. And never forget, God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.